I am Colonel Fayaz Ahmed Sattar. I am one of the member of Sattar Fatima Memorial Medical Complex and the trust. I think I have already been introduced to many people here. Honorable Chief Guest Alhaj Tanveer Seth Sahab, ex-minister and MLA Government of Karnataka. Respected Janab Abdul Majid Sahab, State President SDPI. Janab A.B. Ibrahim Sahab, IAS. I don't want to say retired. Janab Azizullah Ajju Sahab, Janab Yunus Sahab, other dignitaries, and my dear Honorable Elder Brother, Chairman of this trust, Dr. Maqbul Ahmed, Dr. Ajmal Pasha, Dr. Syed Faraz, Dr. Tawfiq Warsi, they're all the people working as trustees of the Mysore Hospital, Udaygiri. Other members, doctors, diagnosticians, and respected friends, ladies and gentlemen. अल्लाह सुब्हान ताला का हम सब पर यह रहम करम है कि आज ये हम लोगों का जो ड्रीम था, विजन था, मिशन था, जो गोल था, हम लोग खासकर जब मेरी ज़िंदगी में हमारे ख़ानदान में मैं पहला डॉक्टर हूं जो मैसूर मेडिकल कॉलेज में हमारे वालिद की मेहनत से मैं बना। ऐसा है कि जब मैं प्री यूनिवर्सिटी पढ़ रहा था तो मेरे वालिद मेरे साथ पढ़े, otherwise I would not have been a doctor. He was a science man with chemistry, but he studied biology to teach me biology. So God has been kind. I am a graduate of this Mysore Medical College. So आज वो हमारा ड्रीम फुलफिल हुआ है। जैसा सेठ साहब ने कहा, जिस नीयत से आप करेंगे अल्लाह उसी नीयत से इस दुनिया में और आखिरत में भी देगा। और हमारे माँ बाप की तस्वीर भी इधर है। यहाँ पर खल्क़े खुदा की खिदमत के लिए हम लोगों ने सोचा है। सर्विस टू ह्यूमैनिटी, सर्विस टू गॉड बोलते हैं, बोलने के लिए बहुत अच्छा दिखता है, बट करके दिखाना और अप्लाई करना एक रियल इम्तिहान है जो आज से शुरू हुआ है। और अल्लाह की मेहरबानी थी कि ये बरसात की रहमत भी हुई है और चंद घंटों के लिए वो बरसात नहीं रही और हम 350 to 400 पेशेंट देख पाए। और ज्यादातर मैंने देखा कि उसके अंदर उम्र वाले लोग थे। केयर ऑफ पेरेंट्स, केयर ऑफ एल्डरली इज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यू। In future, India is going to have this as an epidemic because we are going to have this problem in geometric proportion. So, on behalf of the trust, I would like to thank our Honorable MLA Saab for having taken pain in spite of a busy schedule. I believe the Chief Minister was also in station and has spared your time to communicate a few valuable things which they have heard. One is we really appreciate that you appreciated our location. The Dawa concept, fantastic. It has been there in psychiatry. We are going to various dargahs and various shrines where this type of a belief is there. We are opening psychiatric setup there. Government has opened psychiatric setup. Murg Malla is an example. Murg Malla is an example, sir. Then thereafter, I think adverse drug reaction is a fantastic thing. Sir, we are thankful to you. You have advised the community. Now, coming to Ibrahim Saab, sir, we are looking forward for many more things. Maybe that we have this concept of cultural, educational in medical. So you are well known in Bangalore. I remember your principal had come. So we look forward for more guidance. You brought out a very valuable thing relevant to my specialty, that is psychology, psychiatry and mental illnesses. Particularly our community, with the permission of the chief guest, our community definitely needs this, where we have to look into as to why our community has problems, why we are looked out like this, that we violate rules, regulations, we are more considered criminals, domestic violence, alcohol, drug addiction, and dropout from the school. Is a very, very good theme what Ibrahim Saab has communicated to us. We look forward for with the help of all the dignitaries here. Now coming to Majid Saab, I have seen him in various YouTubes and programs. I told him also before Maghrib that he is such a powerful orator. Even a Russian machine gun is, I think, will say sorry. But today I could only see him because of the rain or something. Or he has traveled. Sir, very nice. You brought out a very good point. Prevention, yes, sir. Prevention is better than cure, and I think that has to be done. A primordial type of prevention, lifestyle, and other things. Thank you very much, sir. Now, on behalf of our trust, there are many people behind the scene who have made it happen, this particular program, otherwise it will not. I, because of the shortage of time and the circumstances and this rain, I think I will end my speech by really thanking each and everybody, whether I have taken the name or not taken the name, but it is unintentional. But thank you so much. You made it happen, and today a new thing has taken place with the blessings of Almighty.